Freddie, watch me. I'm going to tell the opinion stand. Oh, no. Opinion stand. Right? I'm going to roll it back to the opinion, right? Freddie, yeah, ready? Where's my shit on for me? Alright, good man. Right here. Right here.
Motorcycles are no joke.
Go to the keys, Freddie. Yeah, good man. Huh? Yeah, yeah, but it breaks loose, yes. I mean, Freddie, put the clutch, put the clutch. Let's go out and stay here. Maybe I can see me too.
If you had a pickup truck. So you was following her with this other bike?
She was coming to meet me.
Oh. Wow, that Kawasaki look good.
Yeah. No, I don't have but they can't move it to that one.
Wow, that's a nice bike. Ooh. It is. I'm surprised it still have a chain. It has no drive shaft. Only BMW put drive shaft on those things, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Because you would think something like that would have a drive shaft.
No, I do have a drive shaft.